Hey guys, it's PYT again. I'm like freaking out right now because there's another Michael Jackson display. I'm only on the second floor of this music place in Kyoto, and I've already seen so many Michael stuff. On the first floor, they had a big Michael Jackson display of all of his CDs and music, and they were playing This Is It. The second floor, which I'm on, once I walked in, I saw a poster of This Is It, which I'm trying to get. I'll see if I can talk to them into giving it to me for free. And they were playing Beat It. Now in this place, they have Michael Jackson, This Is It, deluxe edition 2 DVD set. They have the collector's edition. They have Dangerous, Greatest Hits. Oh my god, I just saw a t-shirt. Oh my god. And I have this, but I'm excited. They have a lot of stuff, so I may be tempted to get a few things, depending on the price, because I'm waiting to go to Tokyo because, well, there's a surprise, and I'm going to show you guys once I get to Tokyo and find it. But I'm just amazed, because in America, we may have, like, in alphabetical order, a couple of things, but they have, like, gone crazy here, so I'm really excited. King of Pop, I love that. So I'll see if I can get a poster for free. That should be exciting. So I will catch you guys later. Alright, peace out.